Alright guys, I am taking this right now. I came outside and I noticed there was some flashing and I thought maybe it was over at the neighbor's house. But it's actually lightning and it's constant. It's just constantly going. So I thought you might like to see it. It's beautiful. It's almost like God is having a meeting, and every time He speaks, heaven is lighting up. Isn't this beautiful?
Makes you wonder if something's going on up there.
It does, because you don't usually see lightning going like this.
And normally you'd hear thunder, and there hasn't been not one noise of thunder at all.
Anyway guys, this is Kat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. I'm starting them all again, but I thought this was just so cool. This is between the houses here, and this is, I guess we're kind of up on a hill. But isn't that cool? I mean, you can even see like a plane back in there. It's just constant. I mean, some people would say it was heat lightning, but you know, I think there's just things going on in heaven.
Yep.
And the earth is talking to us. And the earth is groaning. But I thought I'd share it because it's so beautiful. It's amazing. It just hasn't stopped. It's been going on for a while. So I ran in the house and got my phone.
It's been going on for several minutes.
Yeah, it has. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You just never know what you could see in the sky. It's just amazing. I love watching this kind of stuff. Our skies are intriguing. So I thought that I would, like I said, make this and share it with everybody. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that, you know, wonder about the sky and the earth and what's going on. And I think lightning is so beautiful. And then you can hear all the creatures of the night out here. Ooh. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It does. It makes you wonder what exactly is going on up there.
But we can't exactly know because we're under the firmament.
That's right. We are. And there's a bug. That's pretty cool.
We can't see them, but they can see us.
Of course. Isn't this just gorgeous?
Yeah.
So like I said, I thought that we would share this, but anyway, it's about 10:30 at night, so we're going to go ahead and go in. It's about that time.
Actually, it's 11 something.
Well, 11 something, but I thought that I would share this. Ooh, that was a big one. This has just been constant for quite a while now. I was standing out here looking at all this, and I just thought that I would share this. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely. You guys have a good night. Like, subscribe, and share. Have a good night. Peace out. Bye.
Bye.